First ripe strawberries for the season. We got this variety. It's a variety that ripens soonest apparently compared to all my other strawberries. It's quite cute. This is just from one plant. Quite productive. But most importantly, this is the size that it is. And I won't be eating that one since it's on the soil, but I'll eat this one. Hopefully it tastes good. It's much smaller, but it's ready. It's tart. It's not sweet at all. I think I should have eaten some like this. Now this feels quite sweeter. It's more ripened. So there's so much strawberry pollen on it. It's so small compared to this one, but it's much softer. It's fully ripened.